Let's talk hot water tank maintenance. Today, I'm gonna walk you through draining your hot water tank down. First, we're gonna start by shutting the water down to the house. Come on with me and we'll shut the main valve off. All right, here's your main water shut off, identified with a tag. We're gonna turn the handle 90 degrees clockwise. The water is now shut off. We're gonna go to a sink and drain all the water down. Here we are right around the corner. We're gonna open this sink up, drain all the water out. We're gonna think of this like a straw. If you plug the end of the straw, no water comes out. Take our hand off, we open up this sink. That's gonna let all of the water drain out of the hot water tank. Okay, now that we've got all the water out of the pipe, we can go ahead and hook up the drain to our hot water tank and start draining it. All right, back to the mech room. All right, let's drain your tank down. Before we hook our garden hose up, it's important to look for a rubber O-ring inside. If it's not in there, you might get a little bit of leaking when you're draining your tank. These can be found at your local hardware store for a couple bucks. We're gonna go ahead and screw the hose onto the bottom outlet here. Turn to the right, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. A good hand tight is fine on here. Gonna string our hose out to the drain. All right, now that we have our hose hooked up, let's take our flathead screwdriver and let's turn counterclockwise until we hear water flowing. There we go. Now we should see water start to come out of our drain. Okay, we're gonna continue this process until we see no more water coming out of the tank. Believe it or not, if you don't do this to your hot water tank manufacturers will try to tell you that they won't give you warranty. All right, now we can see from the hose, all the water is done draining out of the tank. We're gonna come back over to the tank and do exactly what we did in reverse order. We're gonna start by tightening and turning this drain valve so it's nice and closed. Then we'll undo our hose and roll it up. The only thing left is turn the water on and you're good to go until next year.